What's going on, everybody? Today we have a 2013 Porsche Boxster S, and for a thorough wash, iron decon, and we're going to put a one-year ceramic coating on it, do a one-step polish. So here we go. Alright, it is now fully decontaminated, washed, and clean. We're going to go ahead and do a test spot to figure out what pad combination with polish we need to use so we can go ahead and one-step this thing and get her coated. Stay tuned. Alright, so we've already put one coat on of IGL Quartz, so now we're going to go ahead and do a time lapse of the second coat here, and then roll right into the after footage. Thanks for watching.